Today we are at a car meet in Traverse City, Michigan. Doesn't look like a lot of people are here yet, but we're gonna see what kind of cars we see. All right, got a few more cars here now. Got an RS3 over here in the Nordic Gray. Coming soon, I'll be making a video with the Nordic Gray RS3 ride along, little overview of the car. So I know this is a new channel, be sure to subscribe so you can see that coming up here. An S4 and another RS3. Got TTS over here. What year is this one?
2019.
How long have you had it?
Close to, it should be about a year now, I think.
Okay.
This is my second RS3. I had a silver one before this. Sold it, cashed out in COVID when everything was worth a ton of money, and made a bunch of money on it, then missed that car and wanted another one, so found the lowest mileage one that I could find. Picked up one that wasn't beat up by everybody before I got it. So.
That's awesome. That looks so good. Getting quite a few more cars. Got a couple Skylines over here. Probably my favorite cars at the show right now. These are amazing. Both right-hand driven. Kilometers an hour to miles per hour note there, so he knows how fast he's going. Got a Scat Pack coming in here, I think. I think it's a Scat Pack. I haven't had a good look at it. $392. He's got a Supercharged badge on. Oh, it looks like it is Supercharged. You're the owner of the Charger, right?
Yeah. It's 2016 SRT 392 with an Edelbrock kit on.
It's a good looking car.
Thank you. It's fun for sure.
You'd think you'll stick with that one and keep doing stuff to it, or?
It really just depends. Like, it depends. If people offer me good money for it, then I'm probably gonna sell it. I really want to track hard. I don't know what I want to do with it. Like, there's options, you know?
Yeah. Well, thanks.
Thank you.
Nissan, Honda Civic, Volkswagen R. Looks like we got some Subarus. A couple STIs over here. BRZ, a Mazda over here. Talked to this guy and he said should be pushing around 400. Z51, Corvette, another Corvette. Love these Corvettes. This BRZ over here is looking good. Big spoiler. I don't know what I think about that, but I don't know. I think it can pull it off. Z4, talking to this guy, he's got it set up for track day over here. Got a camera on the back. That looks like a fun little car. Z4 convertible. Blacked out 5.0. This thing looks pretty awesome. It's a good looking car. And check out this Tacoma, fully set up for camping. Thing's sweet. Whoa. What just pulled in? Triumph.
The BMW 5 Series underneath. So that car right there is the convertible version of what that started out as.
What's that weigh?
It's 2,100 pounds, which is heavier than it started out as. It was like 1,800 before I got started.
Wow. Like, what kind of power does that make?
That's about a 200 horse motor in it right now.
It's probably a pretty fun car.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
Another truck coming in. Nice looking Camaro. Another Dodge Stealth. Got a paint job on that. A wrap. Definitely stickers. Clean stuff.
That one is a twin turbo, and those will make 300.
Do you know if he modified it?
I don't know
even
anything
more
about
than?
this one in
Oh, got it.
particular, but I
Yeah.
can tell you it's a twin turbo because underneath the dual overhead M24 valve sticker on the side says all-wheel drive.
Okay.
And this has the extra piping, which goes off to two ways. You can see it goes to two coolers in the front with the intercoolers. Whereas if you look through the area of mine, you'll see a whole lot of nothing. It just eventually kind of ducts into like the air intake and like the brakes and all that.